venerable and honorable Chief Minister sir, newly elected you last month. So I will great wish you. You should do your prosperous this state. This is my aspirants. This is my ambition. So I asking you. So, but I am a basically farmer. Every farmer's life falling now. So because one drop also not come, sir. Rain. So every crop drying now. So please, you should bring one reparation, solution, remedy. Everyone, you should give your farmers very vast community this. So their life you uphold, please. So this is my request, sir. Please, you should bring one new remedy and reparation solution. Everyone give you farmers life upon abundance and prosperous. You make use, please. So you should do your mercy and kind show on very vast majority community and our farmers. So everywhere looking, but not rain come. Everywhere our northern states in Karnataka we living now, because some district in not rain, one drop also not falling, sir. Everywhere wave coming going, cloud coming going. So very storm, very storm coming, but useless storm. This, sir, how should I make life? You should give you reparation special. So because this is my special request.